ஒன்று பேட்ரி காலியாக போகுது. வா கிளம்பலாம். ஓனா திருச்சி. Riding around with Arun is just amazing. The whole day of riding around with this fella knows how to ride, and it makes a big difference when you are with someone who knows how to ride. The whole world of riding just seems so much more easier and better.
போலாம் வா, ஒன்றா போகலாம். ஓவர்டேக் ചെയ്യാം, വാ.
Yep. So that's where we are at. Just took a break, having breakfast. Arun is having my favorite idli and fritters. Lentils. Fritters made with lentils. Love this for breakfast. Very filling and nice. I had my share of dosa, which is again another more like a fried pancake. Very thin pancake, rice flour. And yep, that sums up the day, fellas. If you guys liked what you saw, and hopefully by now things would have been very clear for you that this motorcycle can take just about anything and everything. Just about anything you throw at it. It's something else from another world. Really heavy motorcycle. Educates a rider on how to ride, what he can do, what he cannot do, and very slowly you start picking up, the skills to handle this weight. Once you get a good grip over off-road riding, then it allows you to even push itself. You can be a little pushy with this. Of course, 25 horsepower is not earth-shattering by any means, but then again, there is a bit of room for you to be able to push this motorcycle and have fun with it as well. So thanks to Royal Enfield for having put out a machine like this, and had a fantastic time with this fella knows how to ride, so so it's been a very, very easy day. Absolutely nothing to complain. I wasn't bothered about him for even a second. There are times when I take subscribers with me and they kind of make it very difficult for me to be able to keep my attention on the track. It's very, very easy with Arun. Arun knows how to ride and is all the time, one step ahead of me in doing the right thing. He picked up the art of counterbalancing way more quickly than I had hoped, and it's just been a fantastic day. Fantastic. Absolutely no complaints, nothing. Had my fill. Going back home, we'll edit this video and this will be up for you guys in another day or two. So if you liked what you saw, you know the drill. Subscribe to the channel and share these videos. Let people know what this machine is capable of. And yep, that'll be it. I shall see you on another weekend ride. Until then, this is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.